Hi, my name is Elizabeth Chapman, and I'm doing my narrative speech on my cat, Rosie, who we got 5 years ago from the Humane League in Lancaster. And she was fostered by our neighbors, and then we let her fostered by our neighbors, and we went over and socialized her, and then we were asked if we wanted to adopt her and her brother and sister. Unfortunately, we couldn't adopt either of them because we've never had a cat before, so it was a new experience for us, but we immediately fell in love with her after we met her, and her name's Rosie, and she's was 5 in March, so she'll be 6 soon, and she loves treats, love pretty much anything, really, and I'm just really happy that we have her because before our cat, we had a pug, and I really miss him, but it's just fun to have a cat, and they're different, and they're independent, and she does whatever she wants to do, pretty much, and I just love having a cat. She was found in an alley next to a church in Lancaster City, and the Humane League rescued her and then brought her in with her brother and sister, and her mom had abandoned her with her brother and sister, and then the Humane League picked her up and brought her in they rescued her basically off the street because she was a stray, and then our neighbors were doing a adoption program, and that's how we got Rosie. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed it.